Have you ever had one of those moments where you're just walking through your home, maybe heading to the kitchen for a glass of water, and suddenly you feel your foot wobble for a split second? Nothing dramatic, nothing scary, but enough to make you pause and think, that didn't used to happen. Or maybe you've stepped off a curb and felt your body catch itself a little slower than it used to. If you're over 60, these tiny moments are actually incredibly important signals from your body. Not warnings, not signs of weakness, just gentle reminders that balance is something we all need to pay attention to as we age. And today, I'm going to share with you the single best exercise to improve your balance, why it works so powerfully, and how just a few minutes a day can transform the way you move, walk, and feel. Before we dive in, let me tell you this: balance is not something you lose overnight. It doesn't just disappear after a certain birthday. It slips away quietly, little by little, because life becomes more convenient. We sit more, we stand less, we move in smaller ranges, and we stop challenging our body in the ways that used to come naturally when we were younger. But here's the great news. The same way balance fades gradually, it can also come back gradually. And in today's video, I'm going to give you something incredibly simple, incredibly safe, and incredibly effective that you can start doing right after this video. No equipment needed, no gym membership, just you and your willingness to take a few minutes each day to build a stronger, more stable, more confident body. So let's start with the truth most people never hear. When you're over 60, the biggest threat to your independence is not weight gain, it's not joint pain, it's not even chronic illnesses. It's losing your balance. It's one small fall, one moment of instability, one slip that your body isn't strong enough to correct. A fall can change everything. But here's the empowering part. You have much more control over this than you might think. Most balance issues don't come from age. They come from lack of practice. Balance is literally a skill. And skills get sharper with practice, no matter how old you are. So now the big question: what is the best exercise to improve balance if you're over 60? Out of all the movements, all the routines, all the exercises you could possibly do, which one gives you the biggest improvement in the shortest amount of time? It's this, the single leg stand. Now, before you think, oh, that's too simple, let me explain why this exercise is so incredibly powerful. When you stand on one leg, you are asking your brain, your muscles, your joints, your tendons, and your stabilizing systems to work together in a way they don't during normal daily movement. You're challenging your ankle to react quickly. You're asking the muscles in your feet and calves to fire. You're activating the deep stabilizing muscles in your hips, the small ones that keep your pelvis steady when you walk. You're waking up your core. You're training your proprioception, which is your body's ability to sense where it is in space. And most importantly, you're giving your balance system the one thing it absolutely needs but rarely gets: controlled challenge. But here's the thing. Doing the single leg stand the right way matters. You don't just lift one leg and hope for the best. You don't just balance and wobble and feel frustrated. There is a method to it, and when you follow it correctly, the results are genuinely impressive. So let me walk you through it, step by step, in the simplest, safest way possible. First, stand next to a wall, a counter, or a sturdy chair. Not because you need to hold it, but just so it's there if you need support. You're going to shift your weight onto one foot, slowly lift the other foot a few inches off the ground, and hold it there. Keep your spine tall, your chest open, and your gaze fixed on something in front of you. This helps your brain stabilize the position. Now here's the key. Don't grip the floor with your toes, don't tense your shoulders, and don't lock your knee. Just breathe. Let your body learn how to adjust itself. If you wobble a little, that's not a mistake. That's actually the training happening. Your body is learning, adapting, strengthening. If you can hold for 10 seconds, great. If you can do 15, even better. If you can work your way up to 30 seconds on each leg, you will feel a difference. Not in months. In days. But even though the single leg stand is the most powerful balance exercise you can do, I want to go deeper today. Because balance isn't just about the body, it's also about the brain. And once you understand how balance really works, you'll realize why this exercise is such a game changer. Balance comes from three main systems in your body: your vision, your inner ear, the vestibular system, and your proprioception, the signals your muscles and joints send to your brain. If even one of these systems slows down a little, your balance suffers. But the amazing thing is all three systems can be trained. All three systems can be strengthened. And the single leg stand stimulates every one of them. When you stare at a fixed point during the exercise, you're helping your visual system lock in. When your body shifts slightly, even if you don't notice it, your inner ear is communicating with your brain to keep you upright. And as your ankle, knee, and hip make tiny adjustments, your proprioceptive system is firing nonstop, sending signals that get more accurate and more coordinated over time. That's why this exercise is so effective. It trains your entire balance system all at once. And because it's something you can do anywhere, while brushing your teeth, waiting for the kettle to boil, or even during commercial breaks, it becomes a habit that blends into your life naturally. But let's talk about something even more important. Why balance becomes harder after 60 in the first place. Because once you understand that, you'll understand why this simple exercise can literally reverse years of decline. As we age, our muscles naturally lose a bit of strength, especially the small stabilizing muscles we rarely think about. The muscles in your feet, ankles, and hips are some of the first to weaken because we simply don't challenge them. We walk mostly on flat surfaces. We sit more. We avoid uneven ground. We wear supportive shoes that actually make our feet work less. All of this leads to weaker stabilizers, which leads to slower reaction times, which leads to poor balance. Add to that the fact that our nerves can slow down with age, not dramatically, but just enough that the message from your feet to your brain takes a fraction of a second longer to travel. That tiny delay can be the difference between catching your balance and losing it. But here's the incredible news. When you practice the single leg stand, you speed up those signals. You sharpen that communication. You literally improve the wiring between your body and your brain. Now let me share something interesting. Studies show that people who practice single leg standing regularly are significantly less likely to fall. Not just a little less likely, dramatically less likely. Their walking becomes smoother, their confidence increases, and everyday movements feel easier. They go upstairs more comfortably, step off curbs more securely, and move through crowded spaces with more stability. It's like tuning up your body's internal balance system. But I know what you might be thinking right now. That sounds great, but what if I can't balance on one leg yet? Don't worry. You don't have to start by lifting your foot off the ground at all. You can begin by simply shifting your weight. Stand tall. Lean slightly onto one leg without lifting the other foot. Feel the weight shift. Hold it for a few seconds. That alone begins strengthening your stabilizers. Over time, you lift your foot half an inch, then an inch, then higher. Improvement is improvement, no matter how small. And here's the part one love the most. The body doesn't care if you're 60, 70, or 80. If you challenge it, it responds. If you use it, it improves. If you give it a gentle push, it gets stronger. It's never too late. You're never too old. Your balance is never gone. It's just waiting for you to work with it again. But I want to give you something deeper today. Something more meaningful than just the instructions for an exercise. I want you to understand how balance shapes your life. Because when you improve your balance, you're not just preventing falls. You're unlocking freedom. Think about it. When you move confidently, you do more. You walk more. You go outdoors more. You climb stairs instead of avoiding them. You travel. You stay independent. You feel secure in your body. That confidence changes everything. And you know what's even more interesting? People who improve their balance also improve their posture, their breathing, and their energy levels. Because balance requires alignment. It requires your spine to lengthen, your core to engage, your ribcage to open. When you balance regularly, you naturally stand taller. Your lungs open more. Your steps become lighter. Your movements become smoother. It creates a ripple effect throughout your entire body. Now let's go back to the exercise for a moment because I want to teach you a progression that will make your results even better. Once you can hold the single leg stand for 30 seconds with confidence, try closing your eyes for just 2 to 3 seconds. Be near a wall for safety, of course. But closing your eyes removes your visual system from the equation and forces your inner ear and proprioception to take over. This trains your balance even faster. Don't worry if you can only do 1 or 2 seconds in the beginning, that's all you need. Another progression is shifting your knee slightly, just a tiny bend and straighten, or rotating your head slowly left to right while maintaining your balance. These little changes make your stabilizers work harder, making your overall balance stronger. Now, I know some of you might be wondering, shouldn't I be doing more complicated balance exercises? The truth is you can. Things like heel-to-toe walking, side-stepping, or using a balance pad can all be helpful. But nothing beats the single leg stand as your foundational exercise. It's safe. It's simple. It's fast. And it challenges the exact muscles and systems you use every time you walk, turn, reach, or step. Now, let's talk about how long it takes to see results. Most people notice improvement in as little as 7 to 10 days. Not months, days. They find themselves feeling more stable. They don't wobble as much when walking on uneven ground. They feel stronger climbing stairs. They feel more confident in their movements. And as these small improvements add up, something amazing happens. They stop fearing falls. And that mental shift alone is life-changing. But I want to bring something else into this conversation, your daily habits. Because balance isn't just about exercise, it's about the way you use your body every day. Sitting for long periods weakens the stabilizers in your hips. So take breaks. Stand up often. Move around. Walk on different surfaces when you can. Practice shifting your weight when you brush your teeth. Try sitting on the floor once in a while if you're comfortable doing so, because it challenges your hips in different ways. All these little habits matter more than you think. Let me share an example of someone I worked with. Let's call her Maria. She was 72 and had started feeling less stable when walking, especially on uneven ground. She was nervous about falling, so she avoided going outside alone. When she started practicing single leg stands, she couldn't lift her foot off the ground at all. She kept both feet down and just shifted her weight. But she was consistent. Every day, she practiced for just 1 minute. After 3 weeks, she was doing a 10-second single leg stand. After 2 months, she felt confident enough to take daily morning walks again. Her life opened up because her confidence returned. That's the power of this one exercise. So now I want to talk directly to you. Yes, you watching this. You might think your balance is just okay. You might think you're not unstable enough to worry. But balance isn't something you wait to lose before you train it. It's like brushing your teeth. You do it to prevent problems, not fix them. So even if you feel steady right now, this exercise is going to help you stay that way for years. Imagine being able to move freely without hesitation. Imagine feeling sure-footed on stairs. Imagine walking on uneven ground without worrying about slipping. Imagine picking something up from the floor without feeling that little moment of uncertainty. That's what working on your balance gives you. And it starts with one simple movement. Now, I want you to make yourself a promise. For the next 7 days, practice this exercise for just 1 minute each day. 1 minute. That's it. Pick any time of day. Morning, afternoon, evening. It doesn't matter. Just 1 minute of intentional balance training. And I promise you, by the end of those 7 days, you will feel the difference. Your body will feel more connected. Your steps will feel more secure. You'll notice changes even in simple movements, like turning around quickly or stepping sideways. But let's talk about something equally important, confidence. Because fear of falling is just as dangerous as falling itself. When people fear falling, they start moving less. Their muscles weaken. Their reactions slow. And ironically, that increases their risk of falling. But when your balance improves, your fear decreases. And when your fear decreases, your movements become more natural, fluid, and relaxed. That's why I want you to treat this exercise not just as a physical practice, but as a confidence practice. Every time you lift your foot and hold your balance, you're proving something to yourself. You're reminding yourself that your body is capable, adaptable, intelligent, and strong. You're showing yourself that age is not a limitation, lack of practice is. And practice is something you can change starting today. Let's also talk about posture for a moment because posture plays a huge role in balance. If your shoulders round forward or your back hunches, your center of gravity shifts, making it harder for your body to stay stable. But when you do the single leg stand, your spine naturally lengthens, your shoulders open, and your core engages. This improves your posture naturally without you having to think too hard about it. Now, I want to guide you through a full minute of practice right here in this video. If you're able to, stand up. Put the video somewhere you can still hear my voice. Find a wall or counter to stand beside. Stand tall and take a slow breath in. Shift your weight gently onto your right foot. Slowly lift your left foot an inch off the ground. Keep your gaze steady. Relax your shoulders. Breathe slowly. Feel your foot working. Feel your ankle adjusting. Feel your core gently engaging. Hold it. Keep breathing. If you wobble, smile, that's your body getting stronger. Lower your foot slowly. Now switch sides. Shift your weight onto your left leg. Lift your right foot slightly. Stay tall. Stay steady. Breathe. And relax. Congratulations, you just trained your balance. And if you repeat that every day, you're going to see incredible improvements. But before we wrap up, I want to leave you with something empowering. Balance is not a gift some people have and others don't. Balance is a skill. Balance is trainable. Balance is buildable. And you have everything you need right now, in this moment, to improve it. When you commit to this one exercise, you're not just doing it for today. You're doing it for your future self. For your independence. For your confidence. For your mobility. For your freedom. So here's your action step. Take 1 minute today and start. And then tomorrow. And the next day. And watch how your body responds. Watch how your stability improves. Watch how your confidence grows. It's going to happen. Your body is ready for it. It just needs you to begin. Thank you for watching, and if you found this helpful, make sure you subscribe because we have so many powerful, science-backed, easy-to-follow exercises coming up that will help you stay strong, balanced, and active at any age. Stay healthy, stay confident, and I'll see you in the next video.